Hi guys, this is Sampath from Intandemly. Well, today I want to give you a quick hack that you could use in order to generate a ton of leads on LinkedIn. Well, LinkedIn is like our favorite tool if you want to get in contact with our potential prospects, right? Now, how do you go about, if you have a set of companies that you want to do business with, how do you get their attention on LinkedIn? Well, just follow these simple steps. Number one, list all your ideal customer accounts that you really want to go after. It's extremely critical that you understand what your target is. Now, once you frame a set of 500 accounts that you want to go after, then spot at least one or two decision makers within that company that you would want to talk to. Now, that will give you a list between, say, 800 to 1,000 contacts. Once you're kind of done with that, then start your outreach process. That's the step number three, where you essentially send them a very personalized connect request. Now, you have to do research over here and kind of let them know why you really want to connect with them and send a connection request. The more personalized you are, I think the chances of them accepting your request would be really good. So say suppose in a day you send 20 requests, there are good chances that around 12 to 15 kind of get accepted. Wait for 3 days for the contacts which did not take your connect request and withdraw the request. You can save up your limit. Now, assume that they got connected. Do not send them a message right away. Wait for 2 to 3 days and then send them a video message using the LinkedIn mobile app. Do not send them a message because people are bombarded with messages. So that would be your fourth step of sending a video message. Now, appending to the video message will be a small note that you would have to add, telling them that, hey, you know what, this is my personalized video message for you. Love to hear back from you. In case they reply, it's great. And in case they don't, wait for another couple of days and send them a voice note. So the reason why I'm asking you to mix a video message, a small message, and a voice note is because you would be super personalized. If you're doing this with 20 contacts a day over a month, I bet you can at least penetrate into 10 accounts. Let me know if this hack really works out for you guys, and I look forward to hearing from you. Bye. Suppose you're actually hiring an outbound sales representative. What would you really include in the job description? See, firstly, don't make it extremely boring. Don't try to copy other job descriptions and try to put in into yours. Instead, just use these 5 points. Tell them what exactly you're looking for. So, if I were hiring an outbound sales